TRX flexibility and mobility exercises. I have a big plethora, 10, 15 different TRX videos, all for you guys to check down below in the description. But here for this video, we're gonna be talking about your flexibility. Flexibility is extremely important, no matter if it's for your upper body, lower body, or even your core and lower body, lower back exercises, guys. Make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video where I'm gonna have some bonus tips and tricks for you guys that you do not want to miss. Let's get started with this video. Let's go. Just like that, guys, that was the TRX flexibility and mobility exercises that you guys can use with the TRX. A lot of the videos that I posted online on YouTube here are going to be exercises that are going to target your upper body, lower body, and core, but I had to make sure that I gave you guys some flexibility and mobility exercises with the TRX. Again, nonetheless, check down below in the description because I got 10, 15 different TRX videos so that you guys can see the change that you want with your body. Bonus tip, I have a free ebook for you guys. If you guys check down below again in the description, you guys will be able to get that free ebook. Super easy, TRX exercises, TRX workouts, RIP trainer exercises and workouts for all of my diehard TRX fans. You don't want to miss that. Nonetheless, guys, it's me, your man Royal. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.